Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to do a really easy grungy ombre lip, and I'm using the new Rimmel Stay Matte Lips in their new colours, which are these three, and these are from the Urban Affair collection. There are also 4 nail polishes included. These 4, which are all gorgeous. They're all quite dark but they are so nice. And they are the super gel, so you also get a top coat as well, which makes them as hard as normal gel polish. But if you already follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen this ombre lip, and I actually really like it. So if you want to know how to do it, then carry on watching. So first I'm taking this Rimmel Lasting Finish Liner. It's not exactly the same shade as either of the polishes, as either of the lip colours, but it's the closest I have, and I always use that liner just to make sure my lips actually have a shape. I'm now going to take the darker one, which is Urban Affair, and I'm going to put this on the outside of my lips, just slightly out from the middle. Just good. So that is the darker shade on. As you can see, I just missed out the middle of my lips. I'm now going in with this one, which is Fatal Kiss, and it's the lightest in this new range. And I'm just going to put this in the centre of my lips and sort of blend it into the darker. To get rid of the harsh lines, just use your finger and sort of just dab on it. And obviously if you don't feel like it's dark enough anywhere, or you can still see your lips through, then just add more until you get how you like it. So that is how you do a really easy grungy ombre lip. Obviously if you want, you could use the darker colour as well. You could even add 3 colours. Basically however you want to do. You just have to work quite quickly with them, as they are matte and they do dry quite quick. But they're not drying at all, and if you want to know more about them, I did a whole video on them when they first came out. So I'll leave that in the clickable I button up here, I think it is. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please get a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!